Yes, aba mu nyina akwa ba biem. Ebra wie de se ye de asemi dika ebebro. Me chiaw. Ye da se sawo gie so wa fiefiem. Wadawroma na asemi dika eba ye. Again grounds. I get a response to certain issues that ya raise ewa hanom. About for the difference is clear. And yet evidence based and someone ye can send be ya sebe yembo ye sim and kasam and fan to obi eso. Yada ma se mo mo gibre e hye yem kran e frɛ ye boy ya beti so baby ya chia mo tene ye esinyame enhyira mo. And na fiada chiachi asante mampofo nyina some who ye de yame ase. But quickly enra Greater Accra Regional Minister Honorable Henry Kote eba pensemmu so. Mokaya from last week near di komodi afa obi ono akwa bie adwuma na all grind stone. Eti etu futrogu amafo wo New Town e won kran krodwem eso. Your boss na regional minister boss say man 48 hours eno akwadwem wo. All catch up so mo pede to pene no a omo shut it down. So 48 hours etefo nyaba say regional minister the free Adom TV Badwam so no oko baby a dwumade no ekoso akoka chom so omo shut it down with immediate effect. And yes from enura till by Saturday there no mo akasa ko close adwane down. The regional minister mo amafo timpate mo dase ya dase say otiye e wa asem di kaso so no what one amount but ye ne gusu de eche to make sure say you walk the talk. Na kwa sebio Honorable Henry Kota beka ne sa keke na bibia ankwa akoye adwuma. Eti gusu hwadim ye gusu edi akire say by Saturday Sunday na sampa ya shati adwako ni dawa ye besa akoba ka kotwa be kira manfo a obo sampa ne kan no empanifo to anamo anapa ye se gina galamsey eso erika ka kire said yam ye ne abre galamsey ko ni nyina so ye e ka wodo a aban ebo any sika eko the fight against galamsey yes ye shada enyam faso papa emfam frimo etiama asem dika ye ne abre sa no. There were a lot of evidence and impedifua involved in this act. Sana motuamu etui ene ha of my Ghana. And I make a chrewo. Koko fudia ya galamsey aseno ewo memu nyade ketwa. And as of 2017, government was spending about 60,000 Ghana cedis per hectare to reclaim every land to be a cocoa growing area. Ya galamsey for aseno. See over 200,000 kilometers of cocoa farm. And we're even western Ashanti Mpua near spending 60,000 per hectare. It tells you the amount of sika yedi eko galamsey konim. And no ya ka Ashanti region and number of western north and western region. And Asem Aura who say ebanisa and ye kan ye emre bi atwam we kan ye na mafom say enya no krem NPP Penfam Western North and Western Region. What are you? Constituency executives, regional executives of the new Patriotic Party. Here more Western and Western North regions. What are you? You think to someone that the fight against galamsey no aye thing in the region. Muka Hubi, especially Bodi and Swaman. Mona moka will be ama the fight against galamsey in this district no eye difficult. Mo wedi ye gusu compile list no ye gusu compile videos ne pictures no e brele so na ka say ye show the amawa urebe ho people to show we that way eye sui ensuo ya e che ko body ene Swaman. In fact this area ka say friend Bokabo aha ana man for ye galamsey. Galamsey yamanfo eye ehonum. Galamsey ya nipa kwabrane eye ewo body ene Swaman patam honum. And the district chief executives yamwo body ene Swaman. Dia na mo ye about this thing. And dia na mo ye about this thing. Marty to say this is Nibi Eka say party executives about you and I are ding. But this is a party. This is because party executives. Amajumano ayeding. Say party executives from Amajumano ayeding. Report to the appropriate quarters if indeed you are not a corporate. Oh yeah, this is as a party executives. I'm going to fight against Galamsey in your district. Ayediam. Report to the appropriate quarters. That's a part of Mame. One of the Nikwa Tatas Glover video no. Another minute Tatas Glover Eddie Como. Ewo. Bedwam so. What can say? I'm telling you for a fact, say Galamsey na difficult because of party executives. NPP party executives and I'm going to fight against Galamsey. I difficult. But yet you know I'm right here. That any quarter Tatas Glover. That me, I don't support Galamsey. And two knows the two of us. I'm a soldier against Galamsey. Yeah. I don't care any member of my party who is doing Galamsey. Now would he say quiet? Would he say so? I'm uncomfortable. Someone I will not support your cause. Maka, Israel. And I will not support anybody who wear Galamsey who they go over the movie. I will not support that. So we are Galamsey. Wako river bedroom two anya ya Galamsey the say so no. Amagana water are struggling to process water for us. We dey wo scout. Yeah. Wako terminal water the sachet water they go wo fie and we no man and wo for amano. Yes, the fight of Galamsey that is starting. I will press for the press. Kasano so the share and all the Kasano. Yeah. So to some extent, I don't blame him too much. But the language that he's using, said the fighter president who couldn't say, "Me president is better. I'm a fighting Galamsey." It is not easy.
Did the money difficult? It is Emrane warning how to deal with it.
Emrane woman difficult.
Law enforcers.
Yeah, young Crawford no more. Yeah, young Crawford no more. Duman, young Crawford. Me, I'm here before. Now got him so was he another way, and I don't know what was. Okay. Etikakun, Yajnikokwanum. This is a former member of parliament for Tema East, former deputy minister of transport, Okopre national organizer, the Bureau MPP Amukum, and Waka. And San Martin, Data Patomame, Ono Frederick Addy, DC for Swaman Pitcher, the CIA, Fan Pitcher to Swami. And San Semno and Honorable Dano didn't quarter to Glover, Ekacheno. And Swaman DC, Ono Frederick Addy. I don't want to believe, sir, you are part of the cartel. You are about to fight against Galamsey Ayadin in your district. Because the way why you high, I'm a Galamsey, Echo support one, I know thing. Quick, but me Ghana a water company for website, and I mean for Ghana Water Company first one about Western and Western regions. The way Galamsey affected the water supply in these regions. The way Galamsey affected water supply in these regions. Ghana, where Ghana Water Company meet on website too. Bakato say 2 million at city. Galamsey threatens water supply in Western region. Ghana Water Company, and this is their website. Are they? Eti and assess ka yet said edi etiswe no hwe enududu a Ghana Water for sabeto edi etiswe ni edi mama for these regions. Eti swama DC. So one na wo fi se adwuma na e de mo resign. So fi se adwuma no aye difficult for you. That's what party for ma kwan e ma nya adwuma se de resign. Because you are showing say as you are not a man enough to protect a man for and a man for a two pattern one. Monday exclusive view Swaman and body watch out. Yeda kudi musem etwaso.